What an evening, guys. How beautiful is this spot? We are camping with my granddaughters and Erica. What a beautiful, beautiful place. You gotta love Mont-Tremblant. Except for the mosquitoes. Holy God. They can eat you up, that's for sure. Beautiful. Thank you, Erica. It's like glass. The water's like glass. Eh? Yeah. So calm.
I know.
They're my beautiful granddaughters.
It would be even like calmer.
Come, girls.
You do what I did. Don't push me.
Nice and shallow over here.
She looks like the beaver that I.
You look like the beaver.
Swimming. It swims with just its head out the water.
Is it cold? Is it polar bear water? Hey?
Your head?
Is it polar bear water?
No, but then you're gonna have wet hair.
Came to one of our favorite places. You've seen this place already. I think I have a recording. And we came because of this. It's just a little slope going down. The water's a little high on this section this time because it's still May. But if you walk along, there's a little trail over here. You get to see a beautiful little beachy spot. This morning we had deer, young deer too. Went up to Cara. Oh, I hope it doesn't die. But usually it's very sandy on this side here, but the water's a little high. But really beautiful, you get to see the whole lake. So this is why we like to come to this one. I mean, there's so many to explore up here. But this is one of our favorite spots. The only thing I don't like is the bathroom is so far away. God forbid you gotta go. You gotta go. Anyhow, usually this is sandy here. But the water is up high. But if you keep walking along the path over there, it'll take you to a nice little beachy spot that we brought the girls yesterday. I'm sure you're gonna see a little clip of it in the video. Look at this, what the beaver's done. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful lake. Yeah, it's even overgrown. Usually there's no bushes here. Just open up a little sandy area. But what a view. I mean, it's just breathtaking. You just have to walk a little bit and there's a beach further down. The beach also has like this huge lawn relaxing chair, like a lawn chair, but made out of wood. Really, really nice. You could sit quite a few people. Last time we were here was in the fall time, and we picked golden foot chanterelles. Unfortunately, there's no mushrooms this time around, but it's still early. Still early. Usnea. This is very medicinal, guys. I make tincture with this, and it kills any kind of bacteria, fungus. And if you're going to harvest usnea, better not to take it off the tree. Always better to find what's on the floor. Like, you'll find bits of trees that fell down, and the usnea is still on it. I'm going to leave it because I do have lots of usnea at home and lots of tincture also. Okay, that's where we're camping.
Look how beautiful this is.
Yes, this place up here is known for wolves. So is the animal behind it beautiful. Up here it's all about the wolves. You hear them at night. What a wonderful... Look at these girls. It's May and they want to go into the water. Crazy girls. Anyhow, if we see anything exciting, we're going to show it to you later. I just wanted to tell all of you guys I love you, and it's been a while since I recorded anything. Not the best recording, but I promise you when we do, they're going to be a lot better. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit.
No, wait, I have to
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
Show me your camera, Erica. Look at the size of that beast. Yeah, she wanted to wake up early, but we did not sleep last night because we left the zippers of our tent. Oh, I hear a loon. We left the zippers of our tent down at the bottom, and Mr. Raccoon decided that he was going to open up our tent and come visit us. Do you see the loon, Eric? You hear the loon, though. So yeah, we didn't sleep much last night. The girls were sleeping, thank God, because I think they would have been like freaked out, knowing that the raccoon was coming in and joining us. We did. So, at night, what do? Zip her up, right? Right, Cara? Yeah, zip her up. But here we go, guys. This is what we're enjoying right now. Life is just grand. Got a nice black fly bite on my face too. Oh look, there's another camping spot there, Erica. Do you see it? Eric? Come and see this camping spot. I'm not sure if you can see it, guys. Let me see if I can zoom in. I don't know how good quality is. I think you can see it now. Yeah. And there's all camping. I don't know if you can see on that beach there. There's places that you could rent, like small camping huts. There's some in the back where we are that are really cute. I think next time I'm gonna surprise Erica and I'm gonna rent us one of those. Alright guys, let me take some pictures of my beauties here, and then I can send them to Mama once we get reception. They found leeches on the edge of the water, so yeah, Kara wasn't happy, neither was Bella. Ah, the joys of all these new surprises. What are you doing, Bella? Kara?
I'm making a pool.
You're making a pool, but you have a big pool right there.
I know, but I'm making a mini pool for the mini sea animals I find.
Yeah, for the leeches?
Yeah.
Keep them at bay?
Yeah.
All right, good idea. All right, guys.
Get all this out. Ow.
That's our view.
Ow.
The lake goes in that way. There's another entrance that way, going that way. Really, really beautiful spot with these beautiful mountains. Just beautiful. What's that down there? Right? Oh, okay. Oh.
They're coming to say hi to you guys, to show off their beauty.
We found a huge tadpole.
The loons, you had to hear them last night. They were beautiful. The most beautiful, eerie sound ever.